Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create folder on Telegram desktop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're using Telegram on your PC or laptop, you may be wondering how to create a folder on your Telegram on desktop. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can go to settings, you can click on the up left corner, the three lines over here. From here, you can go to settings. From settings, you'll find there is an option folder. You can select on that. And in here, by default, you have four folders: contacts, groups, bots, and channels. If you want to create a new one, you can select on create new folder. Maybe you want to create folder for your friends. Now you can include the chat or the contact. Now, after you're finished, you can select on save. You can exclude the chat, choose chats or types of chat that will not appear in this folder. But we'll skip this. You can choose your folder color in chat list, but you need to subscribe to get this feature, and you can also share this folder. After you finish, you can just select on create. So now you have your new folder on your chat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create folder on chat. Here's your new folder. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.